guys are watching Dikshya vlogs. Have lunch, safari day, and what is happening?
Good.
TikTok. Who are you running from? Durga Kali, Kanti Kali. I'm super tired, honestly.
Yeah, I tried it like that.
Doesn't matter with that.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Can I hear the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. I want it ever carry she. Open up, make I feel your love
Hi guys, this is Dikshya and you guys are watching Dikshya vlogs, and if you guys are watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button right here and be part of this amazing family. So today is October 15th and it's our second day here at Machan Country Villa. Let's go and enjoy the journey together. So guys, it's around what? It's around what? I think my... So guys, it's around 1:30 p.m. and now we're gonna have lunch. So let's go with me.
Rose-colored glasses, all distorted. Sapphire to my purpose.
Safari day, and what is happening? It is about to come out.
And I let it burn. You got off on the hurting when it wasn't yours. Yeah.
Time for lunch. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah,
16 p.m. just from the lunch. How was the lunch, Mama?
Good.
so I hope that he didn't cry. All the sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know me how much I love you.
Okay, I'm gonna bring my phone and we'll make some TikTok. So guys, it's around 4:50 p.m. right now, and now we're headed to see elephant. So yeah, let's go. I'll take you guys there with me. Yes, we're all set, ready to go. Let's go. going to the destination by our feet. So yeah, we are walking.
I begin to.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.
Are you guys enjoying your ride? Yay. Enjoying the ride. Enjoying the walk. We are enjoying the walk, and they're enjoying their ride. So guys, it's around 5:10 p.m. right now, and there's pretty sun about to set. Yes, looks really beautiful, and I'm enjoying the walk. Deepa, look back. Who are you running from? From you. From me? Why? Making videos? That's why you're running? There are sheep. Everyone.
All I'm saying.
Wow. Hey, you're 22 years old. So that elephant is 22 years old. Female. What about that one? Durga Kali. Durga Kali. Durga Kali. Durga Kali. Kanti Kali.
She would not say no one that.
That's Momo, yeah, elephant Momo.
We have this. Nina's turn.
Okay, who's going? Go closer.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Now you can touch.
Now you can go say, you're good?
Touch? Yeah.
Action.
Another one.
Good girl.
so that's it from this spot. Bye bye. Okay, so that's it from this place, and now we're headed back to our hotel room.
Långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii.
Finally to the destination again. So guys, it's around 6:13 p.m. right now, and we have walked like to this village and come back, and I'm super tired honestly. And yeah, just resting for a bit, and then we'll have dinner in a while. At around 7:30 we'll have dinner. Yeah.
How's it try? Try one piece, and then I don't know, maybe all of them are good. Take one piece and then try. Coriander. This one's Sichuan pepper. That's chili. Yeah, I tried it like that.
Doesn't matter which place.
Yeah.
So thank you so much guys for watching the vlog, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button right here. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Bye. Have a lovely day.